Wonder if ear of rice to hang your head about bare fruit. There's a saying, these are ear of wheat. They are radiating golden light. It is so beautiful. It is like representing our infinite potential, our richness of our being. They are like saying, come here and open up to the vastness of yourself, magnificence of yourself. It is here and now. As we experience this time and space, we learn to letting go of limited ideas, receiving more of love and wisdom, receiving broader perspective through awareness. Most of us are learned from experience of pain or suffering. But once we are aware of our truth, aware of awareness, which richness and juiciness and ever-expanding joy of existence, we learn to use all this physical experience to expand awareness, to receiving more of joy of existence. We learn to align with presence, aligned with moment. In that movement, this vastness is much more becoming real, and this beautiful sense of light and magnificence becomes much more tangible. We can learn to experience joy of being open to universe, magnificence of ourselves. We learn to allow this energy of love and wisdom to flow through this body. These golden ear of wheat are showing us our greatest potential, highest potential. We can always remember ourselves, what we are, through different beautiful phenomena of nature. We can perceive them as ourselves. It's reflecting our nature. We can own it as our own. And we can realize everything as I am. Everything is emerging, unfolding as I am, as universe. Everything is created through universe, through love and wisdom. As we acknowledge it as our own, as universe that we are, we can truly, freely, uniquely express itself through this body.